Still deciding on a school? It's not too late. PBMA is the place to be. Palm Beach Maritime Academy offers kindergarten to 12th grade programs on our elementary and secondary campuses, supporting students every step of the way as they grow and succeed. Located in the heart of Palm Beach County, our B-rated elementary program offers a strong start with before and aftercare, countywide bus routes, and a team of highly qualified and certified educators. As students advance, they dive into hands-on, project-based learning, athletics, and challenging academics, including AP and dual enrollment opportunities at our secondary campus. We are proudly accredited by Cognia and honored to be voted best public school in Palm Beach County 6 years in a row. Don't miss our next open house, Saturday, August 2nd, 10 a.m. at our elementary campus and 11 a.m. at our secondary campus. Dive into learning at Palm Beach Maritime Academy.